Hi, I'm here today to do my unboxing of my cloth and paper order from Cyber Monday, supporting small business, and I've bought from them before, and they do excellent quality insert printouts. So if you're interested in and you love planning and use agendas, this is the place where you can get some good quality ones. I made some myself, but this saves a lot of time, and they're excellent. If you ever get to go visit their website, you'll be able to see all the different ones they offer. So anyway, here's my order, and I already opened it because of the noise. So here's the order card. It comes in a really nice packaging. This is Happy New Year. The card that comes with it, it's a thank you, and it has a coupon code, so if you're interested, it's right there. And actually, she's the owner, I believe. It's a family run business. And here are some dots. This is a little freebie that I got with my order receipt. So here's the order, and there was a freebie for Cyber Monday, so I got that. So I'll show you. Here's the packaging. Is really nice. The reason I really wanted to buy anything was because I was waiting to get this capsule wardrobe inserts for this 2020 that passed, but I never got it because there was nowhere to go, and I just didn't feel like doing any planning. So I'm glad I got that, because now I'm excited to actually take what I have, outfits, and match them up and do wardrobe change-ups for seasons that I've always wanted to do, because I'm into fashion too. So that's a little self-project for me. The other one insert that I got is this medium. This is a medium size agenda. So this is the personal but budget financial bundle for personal expense, I guess. And these are credit card holders. They're frosted. I already have these, and I just needed more, but I think I'm gonna maybe buy more so that they match, and use these for other things like memories. I don't know. I don't use credit cards that much, so I'm not gonna use it. So it's gonna be more for keeping track. And here's the bundle for Cyber Monday, I believe, or Monday. It was a freebie, and it's a these dots that you can use in the agenda to mark off, calendar dates, or make custom, different blank pages. I actually use blank pages. I can use this and make some simple ones if I needed to, if I wanted to make them colorful. So those are nice, and it comes with a holder for them. That's really nice. And I got the pen. So that's my bundle, and I have my agenda here. This is, I didn't use it last year. But I switched over to my PM, that personal size LV agenda. I'm using it as a wallet and as the planner, but the writing's too small, and I should be using something bigger, and so I'm going to switch over to use this more of a catch-all for everything personal related, business, whatever. So here I have the old setup from last year, which I need to change up. So this is just the envelope I carry, key card from when we stayed at the hotel. We were able to go. Here's this clear acetate, which I took this LV receipt when I bought some inserts from them a couple years ago, and I just cut out the page from that and put them here. Are my dividers from cloth and paper that I bought last year, but I never really used, and I need to actually label them because they're kind of hard for me to see because they're black embossed. So It's cool if you know it by memory, but anyway, here's some of the inserts. This is what I was doing, and so they have different things written on them: memos, goals, finance. And see, when you use other refills from other companies, they usually don't stand by the I guess the measurements that most agendas that are most popular come from. So this is from my goals. And here's an expense log that I'm gonna fix. And anyway, here's all my agenda stuff. Here's where the tabs end. I started making my own tabs, but they work and then they don't come out as good, but I don't mind it. I just didn't finish. Here's some stuff that I'm working on and projects. Here is some inserts that I did myself. They're actually kind of like dividers. I don't know, dashboard. I don't know what they call them, but they're a little thick. Too thick. It takes up too much room for my liking. It does take up, liquid. But I laminated them and I'm gonna redo them. So here's my trying to do the capsule wardrobe. I did one, which I actually ended up getting these sunglasses, but they didn't work out quite as well as I thought. But I'm still in the search for that color theme, and that's why I'm keeping that there. And here's another project that I'm working on: how to create your closet. So that's something that I'm looking forward to. Here's the ones that come with the LV, which are a little bit more thicker and they're clear. But I've had them for a long time. Actually, this is interesting. All right, everyone, have a good night.